got our shirt on an avatar in the 3D window, and over here in the 2D window we've got all of our pattern pieces. Because we're going to be playing with stuff, we might want to move them apart from each other a little bit, so we've got a bit more space. So I'm going to use this button here, and I'm going to start just spreading things out. So I do it by sort of drawing a box around what I want to move. That highlights it all, and then I'm going to shift it over. So I want a bit of space. I'm going to do the same to this one here. Shift that over a little. Just got a bit of breathing room. Move that up over. And yeah, try and keep, so everything that I've just highlighted there, that's all part of the sleeve, so try and keep that all together just to keep you right. Okay, so let's just try out some of the basic things so we've got a record of it here in case you need to come back to it. Say I want to make the shirt into a dress, just very simply. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this hemline and I'm going to drag it all the way down, and I do that by going up here to the edit pattern button, this button, and I'm going to highlight all of these lines at the bottom of the shirt. I'm putting it into the box, dragging the box over all of that. So that's highlighted. And then I'm pressing down on Shift on my keypad, and I'm going over to the other side, and I'm highlighting these. So now all of the hem is highlighted, and on my keyboard I am pressing the down arrow button. And you can see in both windows that that is starting to bring it down. So let's bring it right down past the knee. Okay, and then we'll press the simulation button up here in the top left to see how that has affected the patterns. There we go. So that's one of the simple ways you can make something a bit longer. Let's say we wanted to make a cuff much longer. So we go and find the cuff, which is here, it's just under the sleeve. Let's highlight these bottom, this bottom line, these bottom corners. And then I'm going to press down on my keypad. See, it's getting a bit longer. And because the patterns are symmetrical, that is happening on the other side as well. See the thumb's poking out, I might have to deal with that. Pressing simulation. And this is a pinch tool, which is when the simulation is happening. You can pinch and try and pull out the thumb. Do it on both sides. It is fiddly. There we go. So that's one of the ways that we can lengthen something.